So, you want to speak English fluently, but you keep getting stuck at the beginning? This video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my 5 daily habits that help me improve my English and will help you too. On my way to university, I usually spend 1 hour, sometimes even more. So instead of wasting that time listening to songs or watching random movies, I use it to listen to English podcasts, YouTube videos, or shows that help me learn. And I've said this before, songs and movies won't teach you the language. In fact, they often distract you more than help you. And especially as Muslims, we need to be careful. We should pay attention to what we listen and what we watch, because these things affect our minds, our hearts, and even our focus in life. But when I'm at home in a better mood and a calm environment, I take a step further. I listen, I take notes, and I focus. This simple habit taught me not just the language, but new ideas and new topics. And what about accents? At the beginning, forget about them. Your goal is not to sound perfect. Your goal is to be understood. Even if you travel abroad, no one cares about your accent. Actually, they care about your message, your confidence, and your ability to connect. But if you're interested in accents, that's brilliant. Personally, I listened so much that I naturally picked up both the British and American accents, not by memorizing rules or studying phonetics, but just by listening and practicing. Every day, I take 20 to 30 minutes just to speak English out loud and by myself. Sometimes I stand in front of a mirror and talk to myself. I practice positive self-talk in English, and honestly, this helped me in 2 ways. It improved my language and it helped me love myself more. It's a brilliant habit, simple but powerful. Or sometimes I film myself speaking or I record my voice. That's why I always say, if you don't have someone to practice with, it's okay, no excuses, and start anyway. And I often practice my speaking skills with ChatGPT, and honestly, it's been such a helpful and fun part of my learning journey. It's like having a conversation partner who is always available, patient, and ready to challenge me in new ways. Every day, I take about 30 minutes to write new vocabulary in a notebook that I use only for vocab. I usually write just 20 words a day, no more, so I don't feel lazy or end up procrastinating. Most of the time, I get my vocabulary from English with Lucy. She is an amazing teacher. I write the 20 words, then I memorize them. The next day, I revise what I learned and add 20 new ones. Reading is an important skill to improve your English. I read every day just a few pages in English, and it really helps me. It helps me learn new words, and it also improves my sentence structure. If you are a beginner, you can start with children's books or short stories. That's totally okay. Don't feel embarrassed because learning always starts with small steps. Personally, I enjoy reading psychology books, self-development, and religious. I try to make reading a daily habit, and it helps me a lot both in my English and in my personal growth. Writing and journaling in English really helps me improve. I write about my thoughts, my goals, and my feelings all in English. I also noticed a big difference in my academic writing at university. I became better at writing essays because I started correcting my grammar and choosing better words. So these are my 5 daily habits that help me improve my English. I hope you find your own way, and if you want to do something, believe me, you can. Just remember, consistency is key, and small steps lead to big results. I'm sending you all the love from my heart to every beautiful soul watching this. See you next time, inshallah.
عيشوا حياتكم، اقتربوا من ربكم، اقتربوا من أهليكم، استثمروا أوقاتكم، وقولوا لعل خير، فعسى أن تكرهوا شيئا ويجعل الله فيه خيرا كثيرا.